Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your weekends here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go ahead and log into your admin account. Now go to the top and click on the settings icon. Click on it. Now go to find leave tracker. Click on it. And then once done, go ahead over to the left panel. And then here we have work calendar. Okay, just click on it. Now what you'll do, as you can see, is to review the current calendar. As you can see here, starting January 1 to the last day of the year, the work week only includes Monday to Thursday. Okay. Now, if you want to change it to Monday to Friday, you can click on the calendar or work calendar. Week starts on Monday. If you want to change it to Tuesday, you can go ahead and do so. All right. Just click on the drop down and the work week starts on Monday right here. Work week and on. I'm going to go ahead and change this one back to Friday. Like so, and then in this defined weekend, let's go ahead and untick Friday so that by default Saturday and Sunday will be the available weekend only. All right, and once done, if you want to apply this one to your current year, okay, or maybe starting next year, you can go ahead and click on custom and just click on the calendar view. Year starts on, click on the year right here, maybe 2026, January 1 to December 2026. Okay. If not, just leave it to current year. And once done, hit on save. Wait for the process to finish, and it's now been changed. Your work calendar is edited successfully. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.